How to check Telegram username. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram. Telegram have different names, so one of the ways is click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on settings in here, or directly click on profile and you will find your name and username. Another way is click on search button at the top right and search raw data bot. Click on it, and then in the messages what you can type is /start and send it. After you have done that, they will send you your first name, last name, username, and your chat ID if you have one, in a simple way. This is how to check Telegram username. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.